These two scientists identified how the diphtheria microbe caused disease by filling the body with toxins. Toxins are harmful substances, and the work was a major step towards a cure and eventually a vaccine for a disease. The fight against diphtheria is a major success in medical history. So, when the Pasteur Research Institute was developed, he, along with his assistants, worked on diphtheria. They got to know the cause of diphtheria and also the treatment of that. Okay, and today more than 85% of children, around the world are immunized from the dreaded disease. Okay, so now today many children get the vaccines for diphtheria, and this way Pasteur and his assistants and other scientists saved many lives. Today also these kind of vaccines are given to the children. And maybe you have heard also, when any child is born, when he gets 5 years old, within that time many vaccines are given to that child. Okay, so many of the vaccines many of the vaccines were developed by Pasteur, and these were actually developed by Pasteur and his assistants. Okay, Pasteur's career shows that he was open to experimentation and was more concerned about dealing with diseases by creating new vaccines rather than the theory of disease and immune response. So this shows actually Pasteur was interested in microbiology. Okay, he was actually concerned about diseases, and he really showed himself that he could find the treatment of those diseases as well. Okay, he continued to run the Pasteur Institute in Paris until his health deteriorated. So he was working there only, but after some time what happened, his health declined, he was getting ill. Okay, as we read, at the age of 45 he had an attack of paralysis. Okay, so after some years again he got that attack again, but this time he was not able to resist it, he was not able to bear it, so he was suffering more and more, and this way the paralysis became worse. Okay, he finally succumbed to this ill health at the age of 72. Okay, so he was really affected by this disease when he was at the age of 72, and then he died. Okay, his last words were, one must work, I have done what I could do. Okay, so this is a kind of popular saying by Pasteur. Okay, according to him, we should work. Okay, and by striving towards perfection, by working hard, anything we can achieve as Pasteur achieved. Okay, and now there are some accomplishment written here. Accomplishments means achievements. Okay, so major achievements of Pasteur you have to keep in mind. Here students have underlined some important awards and honors which were given to him, so only those you will keep in mind. He got Leeuwenhoek medal. He also became chevalier in the Legion of Honor, means he also got a position of soldier in army.